Good morning, students. Welcome in online study of subject chemistry. This is a Vipin Prohit. Now we will discuss about chemistry chapter number 1, solution. So dear students, solution is the homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is known as a solutions. Solution have basically the combination of solute and solvent. Here the solute and this one is solvent. This is known as a solution. So basically one component is solute and other one is solvent. Now what is solute? Solute is the smallest quantity which dissolve in the solvent. Now what is solvent? Solvent is basically the largest quantity which dissolve solute. Okay students, now come to the classification of solution. Now come to the point, classification of solution. Solution, basically solution on the basis of state of matter, we can classify solution in further 9 classes. How? Let's see. Solid plus solid is also known as a solution. For example, this is the example of, this is copper and this is gold. The copper and gold metal alloy, solid salt, known as a solid salt. This is the example of solid plus solid solution. Other one, when solid act as a solvent and liquid act as a solute. This is the example of a glucose plus water. When glucose dissolve in the water, then formation of a solution. Now come to the point, solid plus gas. As H2 hydrogen gas presence in the lattice of palladium. This is the example of solid plus gas. Now come to the point, liquid plus liquid is also known as a solution. For example, ethanol plus water, milk plus water, liquid plus gas. As cold drink have presence of CO2. Okay. Now come to the point, liquid plus solid is also a solid liquid solution. For example, zinc amalgam. Now this is the 9 type of solid solution, solid liquid solution, solid gas solution, solid liquid solution, liquid gas solution. Here the 9 type of solution. This is on the basis of state of matter. Okay. Now on the basis of type of solution, on the basis of concentration. So dear student, on the basis of concentration, the type of solution is 3 types of. First one is saturated solution, other one is unsaturated solution, and other one is colloidal solution. So what is saturated solution? Where capability of solvent is completed. Means solvent have no capability to dissolve solute. This is known as a saturated solutions. Unsaturated solution, second one. Unsaturated solution means where capability of solvent have more to dissolve solute. Means solvent can dissolve more or more solute. Now third one is colloidal solution. Colloidal solution is basically the solution in which the size of particle remain 10 raised to power minus 9 angstrom to 10 raised to power minus 6 angstrom. This is known as a colloidal solution. Now expressing concentration of solution. First one is molarity. What is molarity? Molarity may be defined as, molarity may be defined as the number of moles of solute, volume of solution in liter. This is molarity, and the unit of molarity is mole. The unit of molarity is mole per liter. This is the unit of molarity. Now come to the point, second point, this is the molality. Now come to the point, molality. Molality is same as molarity, but difference is the volume and here is the mass. So the molality may be defined as the number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Here the volume of solution in liter, but in the terms of molality, the solvent can be taken in the kg. Okay, now come to the point, mole fraction. Mole fraction is represented by X. Suppose we have a binary solution, A plus B is equal to solution. Suppose you can take the example, this is salt and this is sugar. Suppose this is salt and this is sugar. Suppose salt mixture of homogeneous mixture of salt and sugar is also a type of solution. Suppose this is solute. The mole fraction of solute is represented by XA. The mole fraction of solvent is represented by XB. Here the XA is the mole fraction of solute, while XB is the mole fraction of solvents. So XA equals to Na divided by Na plus Nb, where Na is equal to number of moles of A substances, while Nb is the number of moles of B. Nb is represented to moles of solvent, Na is represented moles of solute. Here same, this is the mole fraction of solvent, Xb. Xb equals to Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Now for a solution, the total mole fraction Xa plus Xb equals to 1. Just you can say X equals to 1. Okay students. Now you can take the value Na. Suppose the value of Xa, Na divided by Na plus Nb plus Nb divided by Na plus Nb equals to Na plus Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Here this one will be deducted, and afterward remaining 1. So this is the mole fraction of a solution. Thank you student. For more update, please share, subscribe.